Hey guys, Goofy Bastard here. So today I'm going to talk about a couple different products that I've received. So I'm going to roll that intro and we're going to get into it. Alright, so recently I had been contacted by another company, HSU. They do GoPro mounts, GoPro batteries, all kind of GoPro accessories. So they contacted me through YouTube. They left a comment on one of my videos asking me if I'd be interested in testing out one of their products, a wind muff for the Hero 9 and up with the media mod. Well, I told them that I don't use my GoPro 9 like that, I only use my GoPro 9 with an external mic, so the wind muff wouldn't really work for me. I said thank you very much for the offer. I appreciate, you thinking of me, and that was it. So they got back to me and asked me if I'd be interested in looking at their website and seeing if there was a couple things that I might be willing to test and review. So this is what I have. So I said yes to that, and my alarm's going off. I said yes to that, and so this is what I got. First piece of equipment I got a mount. It's a ball and socket mount with jaws, and from what I can tell, it's pretty sturdy. It comes with the screw mount along with the GoPro adapter, and it's very adjustable. So you can put it wherever you want. You can clip it to just about anything that you can open the jaws up for to clip it to. And so then it comes with a thumb screw and a tool to tighten the thumb screw. So I got that. And then I got this 7-piece aluminum extension kit. So this is what this looks like. It comes with 3 different extensions, 3 thumb screws, and a tool to tighten down the thumb screws. And they're all marked HSU. They're all marked with their thing. So it comes with a long, a medium, and a short one. And what I really like about these is that they're aluminum. They're not plastic. And if you guys have watched any of my previous videos before, I've had an issue with plastic mounts. I was supposed to go on a ride. Plastic mount broke. Didn't have anything else available. So it comes, like I said, it comes with 3 aluminum extensions plus 3 aluminum thumb screws. And you all know the regular GoPro ones are plastic, and they can break easily too. They get brittle in the cold and everything else. So I'm going to jump out on the bike, going to test these products out, and I'll get back to you in a minute.
So guys, this is how I have it set up right now. I have the mount right here, and then I only have one of the 3 extension pieces. Like I said, got a long one, a medium, and a short one. I had them all connected at one point in time, but I wasn't sure how sturdy that was going to be with this GoPro. I don't even know if this GoPro is really going to work, but I'm going to try it out and try and get another vantage point. So hopefully it won't be flopping around too much. So that's why I did it that way. So, but we're going to give it a try and see what happens. Now, when I first got on the bike, I kicked it. So I got to swing wide, man. I swing high, swing high. Alrighty. So we're gonna try it. Hopefully this camera will work, at least for a few minutes, so I can get that view. Dude, come on, man, really? Oh, like, and that was big clumps of grass that he blew out onto the road. It's not even like just little grass clippings. That grass must have been 3 foot high. So hopefully, like I said, this is going to work out. Hopefully this camera is actually working. My Hero 5 Session, I haven't used in a while because the battery life, like, really is minimum anymore. But I fully charged it up, and I really only need to get a couple minutes just to show you guys the view. And then if it works, I will maybe I'll pick up another camera to put back there and do it that way. You know, either that or put this one back there. So yeah, I guess we'll find out. Like I said, I only have to do get a couple minute time. So all right, guys, I'm going to jump back into the inside and finish up this video.
All right, guys, I'm back. So, overall, I wound up only using the long extension. I put this on my saddlebag crash bar and used the long extension to bring the camera, my third camera, up over top of my saddlebag to see behind me. Now, the reason I only used one was I wasn't sure how much flex there was going to be in the bars. I didn't really want to, I wanted to originally run it over the bag towards the back of the bike, but I was afraid that there was going to be flex, and I didn't want to damage, I didn't want the mount or anything hitting the bike, hitting the saddlebag. I didn't want to damage anything. So I wound up just using the long one. And as you can see in the video, it worked out well. So far so good. I'm going to keep using these. You can pretty much, so like I said, mount this anywhere. And I'm going to use it not only all on the bike, but I'm going to use it off the bike as well. So I will leave a link to their website in the description below. They also are big on Amazon. Whenever I never realized that whenever I looked up GoPro accessories on Amazon, a lot of times HSU came up and I didn't realize because I didn't know anything about the company. So yeah, I'm going to keep using it. Check out their website, and like I said, so far so good. I like the product. So all right, guys. So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.